For those who don't know, this is how heliocentric model should look like. This small tiny blue ball is Earth. So will Duffy please explain us how is possible that you saw in Antarctica sun circling around you in this system? Please explain us. The only way how you could see the sun circling around observer in Antarctica is that sun is smaller and local, and the sun is orbiting the Earth. If Earth is rotating around own axis in heliocentric model, then from the Arctic and Antarctic circle where sun is visible 24 hours for the 6 months each, it would be impossible to see sun orbiting observer in these places. But sun would be seen immovable from Arctic and Antarctic circle. The only movement of the sun that would be visible from the Arctic and Antarctic circle would be due to Earth's revolution around sun. But as we see sun orbiting 24 hours for the 6 months in the Arctic and Antarctic circle, then we live in this model. Geocentric model with immovable Earth and sun orbiting the Earth. This model is also the only explanation of the 24 hours sun seen from the South Pole, where sun is on the same elevation 24 hours. That would be impossible in the heliocentric model, and this geocentric model is only way how is possible to see sun orbiting around observer on the South Pole 24 hours on the same elevation.
And then on December 17th, 1911, let's read what happened. Observations were now taken every hour through the whole 24. It was very strange to turn in at 6 p.m. and then on turning out again at midnight to find the sun apparently still at the same altitude, and then once more at 6 a.m. to see it still no higher.
So pay attention, sun is on the same altitude on the South Pole, while is circling above observer, and that is impossible in heliocentric model.
They had reached the South Pole, where on the globe there is a very unique 24-hour sun, where the sun's elevation angle does not change throughout the day.
Let's see now the footage of the 24-hour sun from the South Pole. It was recorded around 15 December 2024. See how the sun elevation is not changing around observer. This is not possible in the heliocentric model. See my previous questions to Will Duffy to see why is this not possible. So I asked Will Duffy to show us entire heliocentric model and to explain how is this possible to see from the Earth. On the South Pole, rotation of Earth is 0 according to heliocentric theory. Sun should be seen immovable from the South Pole. So why they see sun circling around them this is the only model where observer from the South Pole could see Sun orbiting around him 24 hours on the same altitude. That would be impossible in the heliocentric model. Unfortunately, world and flat earth community is late around 7 years after me, and as I proved 7 years ago, facts in Ushuaia, world was waiting 7 years for Will Duffy to go in Punta Arenas and to show exactly same what I show from Ushuaia. So now we are waiting some new Will Duffy who will after 7 years after me prove that I am right now correct and that my model is the only one possible according to what they saw in Antarctica and in the South Pole.